Okay, on this next problem, let me go ahead and draw it out. It says triangle XYZ has sides of length x equals 10, y equals 14, and z is equal to 18. And we're looking for the measure of angle z right here. We can call it theta. That'll be our unknown. Now this one you could try to use law of sines, but it's not going to work. So this would be a law of cosines problem. A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of a, which is the angle across from small a. So we're going to let this angle right here, since that's the one we're looking for, be our small a, or excuse me, capital A. So therefore the side across from it would be small a. So here this one's going to get set up a little bit different. We're going to actually have to find the measure of the angle. So our B's and C's will be 10s and 14s. So minus 10 times 14 times the cosine of our theta. Now watch closely how we're going to try to get theta by itself. First off, what you need to recognize is there are actually only 4 terms here. 10 squared and 14 squared can very easily be moved across the equal sign. So since they're both pluses or positives, we're going to do minus 10 squared and minus 14 squared to move them over. And here's what you've got left over there with the theta. This stuff is being multiplied by it, so we can simply move all of it over by dividing. When you type all of this right here in, I'd go ahead and clean it up. Make sure you put parentheses around the top and bottom as you're typing it in, just to be safe, or type it in as a fraction. And you're actually going to get negative 0.1 equals the cosine of theta. And again, just like with the law of sines, you're looking for an angle, so therefore you do have to move that cosine over by doing inverse cosine. And when you type that in, you're going to get that theta is equal to about 96 degrees. I think it's 95.7, but we'll call it about 96 degrees is the measure of that angle. Again, one thing to be cautious of is make sure that the lowercase a and the capital A are always across from each other. So if you're looking for this angle, then that side across from it, the 18, will have to be your lowercase a.